We're installing a sconce. There's two of them. Bulbs are not included. Everything is inside the kit, the bracket, the milky white tubes. And we're taking off the side gold screws, and we're going to place the bracket on the wall. As we remove the bracket, we have a ground, load, and neutral. They come in different colors, different makes and models. We place our leads through and lock down. With the ground act as a hanger, secure down on the green bolt and lock down gently. Secure down. Place over and lock down with the bolts removed. To clean the unit, simply unscrew To replace the bulb, unscrew and secure back on. Hooking to a wall switch, a dimmer switch, or remote switch. We're going to turn the light on. The wall sconce 2-set light. It is a light easy to hang in gold, a 2-pack. For vanities, hallways, doorways, living rooms, bedrooms, and more. A close-up look at the light. We have a bathroom in silver. These are gold. They could be put on to the side or the side on top like so, or even to the sides of the wall for additional lighting. Enjoy your lighting if this is the product that you are looking for in your lighting needs.